In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix exporting not working in CapCut. So, if you're trying to export one of your projects and either you're getting kind of error or the video just won't export, I'll show you a few simple ways to fix the problem. So let's jump straight into it. First, open CapCut and close out of the project you're currently editing. This should take you back to the home screen. Now, go to the top right corner and click on the Settings icon. Then click on Settings from the menu. Once the Settings window opens, look for the option called Cache Size. Next to it, you'll see a trash icon. Go ahead and click on that. It will now say Clear Cache Files. Press OK to confirm. After that, click Save. Now completely close the CapCut app. Once CapCut is closed, open the Start menu and relaunch CapCut again. Now head back into your project and try exporting the video again to see if the issue is fixed. If exporting is still not working, there's another setting we need to change. Click on Menu in the top left corner, then go to Settings and open the Performance tab. Here, you'll see an option called Speed Up Hardware Encoding. Go ahead and uncheck that option. Once you've done that, click Save. Now try exporting your project again. If it's still not exporting, then the issue is most likely because you're using Pro features in the free version of CapCut. So go through your project and check for any effects, transitions, filters, or tools that have the Pro label on them. Remove those Pro features from your project, and then try exporting again. After doing this, your CapCut project should now export normally without any problems. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tutorials and fixes.